Hey, in my last video, we were talking about what is number and kind of numbers. Today we will talk about some more kind of numbers. That is even number. What is even number? The number which is divisible by 2. So the number which is completely divisible by 2 and there will no remainders left is called even number. The number which is completely divisible by 2 with no remainders left is called even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6 and so on. Now can you tell me 7 is even number or not? Yes, 7 is not even number because when we divide 7 by 2, we will get the remainder 1, and in even number there will be no remainder left, then it will become even number. Now you can say which type of number is this? This is odd number. Another form of number is odd number. What is odd number? The number which is not divisible by 2. The number which is not divisible by 2. Example 3, 5, 7 and so on. Now we will talk about prime number. What is prime number? The number which is divisible by only 1 and itself. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself only is called prime numbers. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime numbers. What is example of prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Can you tell me which number is even prime number? The number which is even prime number is 2. 2 is even prime number and another is odd prime number 7, 11, 13. Okay, now we will talk about positive numbers and negative numbers. Now we will talk about what is positive number. The number which is with positive sign positive number is those numbers which have positive signs. We can feel it without making any symbol. But in negative numbers, we have to give a sign of -1, -2, -3. This minus sign is represent the negative. Now we will talk about what is integer. It is the very first chapter of class 7th book, that is integer. What is integer? It is a set of natural numbers, whole numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, both. Okay? In integers we can represent the number in a number line. In integers both 1, 2, 3 dot dot. This is natural number, 0 whole number, and -1, -2, -3. What we are seeing there, when we add a number, we have to go to right side, and when we to decrease a number, we will go through the left side. Now we will do some questions through which we will know what is the use of integer. From integer chapter and taking some lines from the NCERT books, we have to prove it is correct, this sentence is correct or incorrect. When positive numbers are added, we get positive integers. When positive integers are added, we get positive integer. It is correct or incorrect? Yes, it is correct. How it is correct? When we take a positive 244 plus 233, we will get 244 plus 233, 477 positive integers. Then this line is correct. Now second one, which is when two negative integers are added, we get a positive integers. When two negative, then what it is it correct or incorrect? When two negative integers, for example -5 minus 6, -5 minus 6, we will get -11. Is this positive integer? No, it is negative integer. Then when two negative integers are added, we get a positive integer. It is incorrect. Now we will see the third line. When a positive integer and a negative integer are added, we always get a negative integer. How? First of all, we will see this number. It is positive integer -6. We will get -1. And the positive integer 8 plus -5. 8 minus 5 will get 3. First of all, we have to know how we put this sign here, positive and negative. Any number which is greater than another number, we will get the sign of the greater number. Here the sign of greater number 6 is minus. That's why we have taken here -1. And here 8 plus 5. The sign of positive larger number is plus. That's why we have taken here 3. Then what we see that when a positive integer and negative integer added, we are not always getting a negative integer. Sometimes we are getting a positive integers also. That means it is, third one is incorrect. Next, additive inverse of an integer 8 is -8 and additive inverse of integer -8 is 8. Yes, it is True. It is correct. First, we have to see how. The additive inverse of 8 is 1 by 8, that is 8 is minus 8, 7 is minus 7, minus 8 is 8. Now, for fifth sentence, for subtraction, we add the additive inverse of an integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Is it correct or incorrect? The additive inverse 56 and additive inverse of minus 76. We will get 56 plus additive inverse of 76 is 76. So there is 7 plus 5, 12, 13. And 56 plus additive inverse of 76, 56 minus 76, that is minus 20. That means it is correct. Now we will see the next question is this correct or incorrect? When we sum minus 8 plus 3, we will get minus 5, but in this 3 minus 8 we will get minus 5. It is also correct. And last question, 8 plus minus 7, that means 8 minus 7 plus 4. 1 plus 4, that is 5, but in this 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 minus 4, 8 plus 7, 15, minus 4, 11. Is it correct or incorrect? It is incorrect. Tomorrow we will take a exercise of NCERT exercise chapter 1.1 for today. It is this topic is over, and from tomorrow we will take an exercise. Okay, thank you.